Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode on Financially Fluent. I am your host, Jacqueline Mutuma. So I recently came across a term on TikTok that I'd like us to dive deeper into it. And this term is loud budgeting. It amused me because the way people are living their lives on TikTok, on Instagram right now, it's very easy to get swayed or to get carried away by the things that people are doing. You see your friends going on vacation, you see your friends upgrading their lifestyle, and you wonder, what am I doing wrong? Or can I also get to this point? So today I'd like us to look at loud budgeting. And what is loud budgeting? I'm going to read the definition that I have here, so listen keenly. Loud budgeting is a personal finance trend where people openly talk about their financial limits instead of hiding them. So what are some of the key points that we are picking from this definition? It's that loud budgeting is a personal finance trend. You're not doing it because you're doing it as a group or as a social class. It's actually a personal trend. So actually, the idea of loud budgeting is pretty simple. Instead of making excuses or silently overspending just to fit in, you clearly and confidently say what you can and cannot afford. All right? And some of the ways that loud budgeting is used in practice is, instead of saying, I am busy, you might opt to say, that is not in my budget this month. So I come to you and I tell you, hey, Jackie, can we go out this weekend? Instead of saying, I am busy, of which you honestly know that is not the truth. Just say, that is not in my budget this month. Or let me plan in my next budget and then I will try and fit or squeeze that item somewhere. Okay? So you're not just bluntly saying, I don't want to participate in this. You're letting the other person know that this month I had not budgeted for this particular activity. If you're willing enough, give me some time. I will budget for it and maybe we can reschedule it. Okay? Another way you can practice loud budgeting is by, instead of saying, I'm skipping this or I do not want to participate in this, you can let the other person know, I'm saving for something bigger right now, so I'm skipping this, okay? And so with that, what is the core idea behind loud budgeting? Loud budgeting has three very important benefits. And the first one is that you have transparency over excuses. You don't have to lie your way out of partaking in a certain activity with your friends simply because you don't have the budget for it. You can still be transparent, but in a polite and a clear way, okay? Another point is that you are intentional about your spending and not just impulsive spending. Yeah, you do not just spend out of emotions or out of the pool of the crowd. You're intentional about your spending. Another important benefit of loud budgeting is that it brings confidence in a situation where embarrassment would have been inevitable. So you confidently decline an offer, but in a very transparent way. So the next time a friend invites you out and you had not budgeted for that particular activity, just use loud budgeting and confidently, transparently walk your way out. Okay? Until next time, have a blessed day. Bye.